Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Well, today I'm going to brave the elements. It's still cold outside, only February, but I'm going to get the cobwebs off the Weber and make a little barbecue, do a burger, super burger, ultimate burger. These are the ingredients that I've got here. Obviously I've got here about, I don't know, £1/4 pound of ground beef there, something like that. That's going to be the burger, obviously. I've got some mayo, I've got some of these little pickled cucumbers, tomato, plenty of cheese, some back bacon and a sesame seed bun. Oh, yeah, and some seasoning too. So I'll prepare all this and then we can go outside. Okay, so we can cut the bun, then slice our little cucumbers there, little cornichons. Then the tomato, slice that up. Now to make the burger in this neat little burger press. Give it a bit of a squash down, try and get it as even as possible. And some seasoning. Then we can flip it over like this, put a bit of seasoning on the other side. To start the barbecue. First time this year. In with the hot coals and the grill there. On with the hot plate. A little bit of oil just to get it going. Brush that over. Just to stop the burger from sticking really. And the back bacon of course. There they go. And then flip those over part way through. It's got a lot of heat there, so it's not going to take that long. Come on, get off. Now a little layer of cheese, which is, I say, quite a big layer really. Then a rasher of bacon and some more cheese. In the next rasher we'll put that crossways like that. And some more cheese. A bit more on the top, spread it over. Then just go down with the lid, not for long, just enough to melt the cheese. Oh dear me, oh, gets down throated. And there we have it, an ultimate burger. Just warm the buns up a little bit. Now to assemble it, we'll do this part indoors. There we go, we'll have some mayonnaise on the top of there and some tomato, followed by, some mayonnaise, and then a little pickled cucumbers, and then some more mayonnaise, a little bit of ketchup, and then some lovely mild mustard there, French's mustard they call it. Okay, so now it's time for our taste test. Lovely. Crikey, that's it, the spot. Plenty of flavour there. Anyway, I'll finish it off in a minute. In the meantime, thanks everybody for watching this latest video. Please subscribe if you haven't already done so. Give me a like and share. And yeah, please make one of these for yourself. And we've got spring just around the corner, followed by summer. So happy days. See you next time.